Today, I'm going to show you how to install your Coverland Premium Seat Cover set on your 2020 to 2026 Toyota Highlander. This guide will walk you through what's in your kit, show you how to install all the pieces, and give you tips for the best possible fit. Before installing, make sure you're parked on a flat surface and that your seat covers don't block any airbags or safety features. Let's get started. Unboxing and contents. When you open your kit, you'll find everything you need for each seat in your vehicle.
Cushion covers, backrest covers, headrest covers, armrest covers, straps, chucks, elastic buckles, and a fitting knife.
Front seat cushions. Prep your chucks. First off, to keep the cushion cover from sliding around, you'll need to attach the little plastic pieces called chucks. Chucks are the flat plastic clips that wedge down into the crack between the seat back and the seat cushion. That's what anchors the cover so it stays tight. Flip the cushion cover over. On the underside, you'll see elastic straps. Take a chuck and attach it like this. Feed the elastic strap through the opening in the chuck. Twist it so it locks onto the chuck. Do this for both elastic straps so you end up with two chucks attached to the cushion cover. Next, look at the front straps of the cushion cover. This strap goes toward the front of the seat. Your kit will include either D-rings or hooks. Attach whichever one you have to the front strap. If you have a D-ring, slide the strap through and secure it. If you have a hook, clip it onto the strap. This hook or ring will attach to the metal bar underneath the seat. Slide the cushion cover on. Take the cushion cover and slide it over the bottom of the seat. As you put it on, make sure it's centered and aligned so the seams and edges sit evenly on both sides.
Push chucks in and attach the hooks.
Now take the straps with the chucks attached and feed them down into the gap between the seat back and the seat cushion. Push each chuck down into the gap until it feels tight and locked into place. For extra security, you can rotate the chuck slightly once it's inside the gap. Next, pull the front straps under the seat and attach the hooks or D-rings to the metal frame underneath the seat. Pull the front edge tight. Pull the front elastic lip of the cushion cover forward and stretch it over the front edge of the seat so it wraps neatly around the plastic trim. This helps give the cover that tight, factory fit look. Tuck the sides for a clean finish. Every Coverland kit comes with a small plastic fitting knife. Use the fitting knife to tuck the edges of the cover into the gap between the seat and the plastic trim along the sides. This small step helps the cover look clean and seamless. Repeat on the other front seat. Once the cushion looks tight and tucked, repeat the same process for the other front seat. Front backrest and headrest. Attach the chucks first. Flip the backrest cover over and locate the elastic straps on the bottom. Attach the chucks the same way as before. Feed the strap through the chuck. Twist it so it locks into place. Once both chucks are attached, you're ready to install the cover. Open the Velcro flaps. Open the Velcro flaps at the top of the cover. Slide the backrest cover onto the seat. Slide the cover over the back seat like a t-shirt and pull it down slowly. As you pull it down, keep it centered, smooth it with your hands.
Push chucks into the seat gap.
Take the bottom straps with the chucks attached and push them down into the gap between the seat back and the seat cushion. Push the chucks down until they feel tight and secure. Close the Velcro at the top. Fasten the Velcro at the top of the backrest cover. If the space feels tight, raise the headrest slightly to give yourself more room to close the Velcro. Install the headrest cover. Slide the headrest cover onto the headrest. Fasten the Velcro underneath, then adjust the cover so it looks smooth and centered. Repeat on the passenger seat. Once both front seats are complete, we'll move on to the second row. Second row captain seat cushions.
Prepare chucks and hooks.
Flip the cushion cover over and attach the chucks to the rear straps. Attach hooks or D-rings to the front straps. Slide the cushion cover onto the seat. Place the cushion cover over the seat and center it. Make sure it lines up evenly across the seat surface.
Push chucks in and attach the hooks.
Feed the straps with the chucks into the gap between the backrest and seat cushion. Pull the chucks down until they lock into place. Pull the front straps underneath the seat and attach them to a metal frame or bar. Pull the straps snug so the cover stays tight. Tuck the outer edge. Use the fitting knife to tuck the outer edge of the cover into the gap between the seat and the plastic trim. Repeat on the other captain's seat. Once both seat cushions are installed, we'll move on to the backrest covers. Second row, backrest, armrest, and headrest. Lift the armrest. Before installing the cover, raise the armrest. Attach the chucks. Flip the backrest cover over and attach the chucks to the elastic straps. Slide the cover on. Open the top Velcro straps and slide the cover over the backrest. As you pull it down, guide the armrest through the opening in the cover. Keep the cover centered and smooth. Close the Velcro. Fasten the top Velcro straps inward to secure the cover. Install the armrest cover. Slide the armrest cover over the armrest. Adjust it until it sits straight and snug. Install the headrest cover. Slide the headrest cover over the headrest and fasten the Velcro underneath. Adjust it until it looks smooth. Repeat the steps for the other second row seat. Once both are complete, we'll move on to the third row. Third row seat cushion.
Slide the cover onto the seat.
Slide the cover over the cushion. Center it. Pull it to the corners and smooth the top.
Push chucks into the seat gap.
Insert chucks into the gaps from the back and front to hold the cover in place. Third row backrest covers. Passenger side backrest. Attach the chucks. Flip the cover over and attach the chucks to the bottom elastic straps. Open the top Velcro. Undo the Velcro straps at the top of the cover. Slide the cover onto the backrest. If needed, fold the backrest forward and give yourself more room. Pull it down evenly while keeping it centered.
Close Velcro.
Fasten the top Velcro straps to secure the cover. Connect the side buckles. Wrap the side straps around the seat and connect the elastic buckles. Pull them snug so the cover tightens around the backrest. Bring the backrest upright. Lift the backrest upright again.
Push chucks into the seat gap.
Push the bottom chucks into the gap between the backrest and seat cushion. Driver's side backrest. Repeat the same steps on the driver's side backrest. Attach the chucks. Open the Velcro. Slide the cover on. Secure the Velcro. Connect the buckles. Bring the backrest upright. Push the chucks into the seat gap. third row headrests. Install the side headrest covers. Slide the side headrest covers over the headrests. Raise the headrest slightly if needed and fasten the Velcro underneath. Install the middle headrest cover. Slide the cover over the center headrest. Secure the Velcro underneath and smooth the cover out. And just like that, your Toyota Highlander is ready for anything the road can throw at it. Coverland seat covers are an easy way to upgrade your interior while adding comfort and style to every drive. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more installation tips and product walkthroughs.